Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and this is the homework assignment. Your homework was to visit this website, suredividend.com, and download a sample spreadsheet. So here's a sample spreadsheet, and this is why you would want to freeze panes. So take a look. You have all the different stocks here and their ticker symbol. You can sort it A to Z. You can take a look here. Scroll down, you'll see like Best Buy, something you're familiar with. So there's the symbol. Best Buy. You can go down. You can sort like Domino's Pizzas here. You can sort it by price, stock price, so largest to smallest. Here are some, and these are up-to-date stock prices. Here's the dividend yields. You can take a look further. The 52-week high. You can, do the sorting here, but notice how if I were to scroll down this spreadsheet, you have Amazon, you have Nike, is right here. You'll see how the first row is up there and it doesn't meet a move. So this is a perfect example of a practical website we would use where you would want to freeze the first row. So I hope this helps. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.